You know, this question remind me time with my grandma. You know why I like my grandma? Because my grandma, when I go to her place, she let me do anything she want. I can play with her, I can tease her, I can call her baby. She do whatever she want with me. I miss you. When I see this question right here, it just remind me, you guys, every time I say you are trying to come back, we miss you. And I'm like, oh my God, I miss you too. Let's get started. So we have a question right here, okay? So this question here is way easy than you expect. Like, man, that question is way easy, I promise you. How you solve it? Look, you see this line here? This line here is for this one right there. Okay, and when this x1 equal to 6 means this line is 1 equals 6, and x2 equal to 12 means, you see here 12, x2, and x1 and x2 equal to 0 means 0 and 0. So I have another video where I explain how to draw that, but for now I don't want to waste no time because my grandmother, she told me never waste time. So let's get to the actual solving, but I can just show you the basic things in case you say, okay, how do you know that line answer that question? How did you know that? Look, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. When they say x1 and x2 means x1, you see this x1 means this is x-axis. x2, you see this, they say x2 here means this is y-axis, x2. So this is like x and this is y. So it's like x plus 15y equal to 300. Let's say equal because it's beta or equal to. Now, we know when x intercept y equal to 0. So it's going to be 10x because it's going to be equal to 0. So we have 300 divided by 10. Oh my God. My teacher's going to be upset if she sees him writing 300 like that. I'm sorry. Divided by 10, divided by 10. So x equal to 30. You see, that's why this line come and cut at 30. Now, when y-intercept x equal to 0, it's going to be 0 plus, because it's going to be 0 times 10 equal to 0, and then 15, y equal to 300. So, what we do, so, that same as say, sorry, that same as say, oh, my pen just dropped, my apologies. Okay, so this same as say 15y equal to 300 divided by 15 to get y, divided by 15. This is this concept, y equal to 20. That's why this line means, that's why I say this line, see it cut at 20 and cut at 30, 20 and 30, because these are intercepts. Means x-intercept means y cut at x, y-intercept cut at y. That's why I say this is so this line. So now you understand, but that's not part of the question, but I want to make you understand, like, what do they mean? Why did I say what I say? You know? So now you understand that, right? Now let's go to the question. No, hold on. Let me explain to you face a little so you understand. This is not part of the question, right? Me to make you understand. So we say x1 is 6. Where is x1? X1 means x-axis is cut at 6. So this 5, 6. And this is x1. Okay. x2 we say equal to y. Y equal to 12. Look, it cut at 12. That's all. When x means x and y is greater than 0 means above 0 means the graph is not on a negative side. I mean, this graph we have is on a greater than 0 means this is less than 0 and this is less than 0. So everything is not on that region. It's only x0 greater than 0. What means in this region here? That's what we involve in calculation. So what I said here is not part of the answer. Now let's go to the actual solving now. To the actual solving. To the solving. Okay. Now let's say here, determine the maximum value of the objective function. Which one is objective function? My pen is freezing. Okay, let's just wait. My pen's freezing. So this objective function here, my pen is freezing, people. Doesn't want to get there. Come on. Oh, it doesn't want to write. See, I'm writing it, but it doesn't. Okay, let's see. Come on now, you can't be freezing right now. You know my family is gonna be hating me. They're not gonna miss me because of you. You see now? See what I'm saying? No problem. We're gonna come back now. It's gonna shut down and then it's gonna start and then we continue. Just let me see. 5 seconds. One, two. My apologies. I appreciate your patience, right? Because I don't want us to start afresh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. Shut down and restart so we can go. You see now, you say there's an error, but it's gonna come back now, right? So be patient with me. Be patient with us, okay? I'm here for you. I'll fix this in a minute. Come on now. Come on now. Okay, let me just cancel. Okay, see, it's restarting. Pipeline. You see? That's what I was saying. So now we're gonna restart that. Then it's gonna come back. It's gonna come back now, family. It's coming back now. It's coming back now. Come back, please. My family's gonna be upset with me. Come back, please. Come back. Yes, it's coming back. Thank you. This is gonna be counselor. Come back, please. Come back, please. Come back. It's coming back, family. Okay. So you see, sometimes I go through this, little technical things, but hey, they get it done. Come back, please. Come on. If you force much, sometimes it kind of shut down. So. Okay. Now. Come back, please. Now take time. I told my beautiful family 1 second, 5 seconds. Now it's almost 20 seconds. It's more. Okay, it's coming. Okay, I got there. Okay, it's coming. It's coming. It's coming now, my beautiful family. Right? I got it. It's this one right here. Okay. Now. I got you. Right here. I appreciate your patience, my beautiful family. I got it. It's back. Okay? So now look. So I explained everything now. You know why how the draw, right? Now let me tell you something. This region here we call feasible region. This is a feasible region. So you need the feasible region for you to get the maximum or minimum or whatever. You need to choose the feasible points. So what is a feasible point? Let's start with the first point. The feasible point means this is a first point, this is a second, this is a feasible region, third point, fourth point. So the first point is 0, 12. This is 0, 12. The second point, let's call this P1, P2. Point 2 of the feasible is this. This is going to be x equal to 5, y equal to 12. So 5 and 12. And the feasible point 3 is this one here. Here, x equal to 5. So if I want to know why, look. Okay, look. If I want to know why, look, x equal to 5, but it only touches these lines. Which line is this? Look, this is the line. So I'm going to say, okay, so I'm going to say 10x. We know x equal to 5 because x1 is an x. So this x1 equal to 5 because it's got an x5. So we want to know the value of y. Now with plus 15, x2 equal to 300. So this is going to be 50, 15, and then we take over. So it's going to be 15x equal to 100 minus 50. So 15x squared equal to 250. Divided by 15 divided by this cancel. So x2 equal to I think it's going to be I can be guessing. So 15 divided by 15. 250 divided by 15, really? 250 divided by 15. Yeah, see, put the calculator quick. No, I did wrong here. Oh, no. Okay, look. X is not equal to 5. X equal to 6. My apology. This x equal to 6, you see? It's not 5. I'm sorry about that. So, mean this is going to be 10 times 6 equal to 60. Mean this is going to be 60. So, this is going to be 240. So 240 divided by 15 equal to 16. So equal to 16. So the third point is going to be 6. It's not 5. It's 6. 6 with 16. And the point 4 of the feasible region means this one here. This point here, x equal to 0 and y equal to 20. So we have to use those feasible points and use objective function. What is objective function? I'll show you now. What is objective function? Oh man, it's kind of, you see, sometimes it kind of freezes. I hate this when it does this. But hey, I'm gonna fix this problem very soon. Hey, I'm trying my best, but it's a technical part. The next video, the next solving is not gonna play like this. Okay. So for that case, now these are feasible region. Is the objective function because they say determine the value of the objective function. So objective function is p. We say here x1, x2 equal to 60, x1 plus 20, x2. Now, so we're gonna plug all the coordinates. Now we start with the face. So the first one is what? 0, 12. So we're gonna say here 0, 12 equal to 60, 0 plus 20, and this could be 12. So this actually is going to be equal to 0, and this is going to be 240. Plug in the calculator if you want. It's for objective function 1. Now, point 2, because they say find it, means we look for the bigger one. So we must test for those feasible points. It's going to be 60 times 5. Okay. Plus or 20 times 12. If you plug in a calculator, it's gonna give you, oh my god, we're gonna play, yeah, 5 and 12. Let me see, I think it's 5 and 12. Is it 5 and 12 or 6 and 12? Or 5 and, no, this must be 6 and 12, 6 and 12, but because remember I made a mistake. So it's 6 and 12. 6 and 12, my apologies. So this is going to be 6 and 12. So if you plug 6 and 12, is going to give you 276. Oh, I can show you here. Plug in the calculator. You can plug it slowly. Okay, now let's go for P. 3. The third one is going to be this one, 6 and 16. 6 and so it's going to be 60 and then 6 plus 20 and then 16. This gives us 276. 276. 2. Now 276. 2376. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Plug here. Let's see. 66. So let's make sure. I think 3 something. Okay. So we cancel that. So we say I think I'm wrong the last one. So we say 16. 16. 16. 6 in the bracket, and then we say 6, and then we say bracket, and then we plus, and then we say 20, and then we bracket, and we say 16, and then we close the bracket, and then we say equal to. Sometimes it can be a little bit slower when you plug in the calculator, but hey, be patient with me. I'm going to fix this slowness, all the technical part, okay? Okay, so these 66 and then 20, 16 equal is giving us the answer now. Now she's coming. I'm not even touching, but I kind of slowing. Slow motion. Come on, don't slow motion. Give me the answer, please. Calculator, please. Please give my beautiful family here. Okay, so we're just waiting. Okay, can see the plug here. Okay. No. 60, 6, 20, 16. Really? Oh, I say 60. It's not supposed to be 60. Oh, so everything is wrong here because look, our feasible function is not 66. So here is wrong already. It's not supposed to be 60. It's supposed to be 6, 6, 60. 6, 6, 6. So if you plug 6, 6 is going to be okay. Let's come and change here. So, but the answer is going to be the same. Only the last one here. I just make error there by typing. But a 6. But the answer must be exactly. Only the last one is going to plug. Okay, so now we remove that 0. Come on now. 3, 5, 6. Yeah, 3, 5, 6. So that one is going to be 3, 5, 6. Excuse me, please correct. This is 6. 6. But here is okay. Same answer. Okay, 3, 5, 6. Now let's go for the last one. For the last one, this one. So we're going to say 4 equal to 6. X equal to 0. I think I did this one, right? Okay, plug what? Plus 20. 6. So this is going to be 0 plus 20. So if you can look careful, which is going to give you maximum, because according to the question, listen, leaving a comments is very, very important in this video, so I know there are people watching. You see now, sometimes I get the challenge, so I can know I got my family to watch my video. You know, I must make more video for you. Yes. Okay. So now for that case now, in this option here, the one which is going to give us maximum is going to be option 2, which is 3, 5, 6, because option 2 is the one which give us maximum. The race give us smaller. Look at the last one. The last one is 120. The first one is 240. The next one 256, and there's 5, 3, 5, 6. So for that case, option 2 is the correct answer. And my stuff is freezing, like how sometimes acting up. But hey, look, your first time here, please subscribe and share it with a lot of people. Peace in the mouth.